If you're looking for a great body hair trimmer for everywhere, you're going to want to check this out. The brand did some of this so I could do this review, and this thing is absolutely awesome. We're going to walk through everything you get. So first off, check this out. This is kind of the starting. You have a scan here, so it walks you through everything. A great tutorial guide, easy video. This is your main piece right here. So this is the shaver. So you turn this on. This is waterproof, wireless, which is nice. You can see what your charge is at. So that's great. You get a brush to kind of clean that off. You get different blades right here. So you can see those two, a charger cable, and then we're going to see this right in here. So really nice up here too. Really great instructions. We get a regular kind of razor right here, which is really nice. Great heaviness to that. And then we also have the base right here, so this could just sit right in there, and it will also charge it when it is plugged in. If you're looking for a great body trimmer, definitely